Lonely Intelligent Company is equipped with independent research and development technologies for high-tech robots and professional personnel. It has assembly workshops for various parts, covering the entire process from research and development, design to assembly. Whether it is the product design of robotic arms or the production of water circulation dust removal equipment, we mainly rely on in-house production. We use the best quality materials to manufacture products, so as to ensure the quality of product use. The integrated grinding and polishing machine is built starting from the frame. Each part is inspected and assembled manually step by step. From the assembly of tiny parts to the assembly and combination of the overall frame, each step is checked one by one. This ensures that the product quality is up to standard and makes customers feel at ease when using the products.